I'm going to show you how to make a drink called a Wrightsville Sunset. We're going to start off with our ice, pour that into your glass, and then we're going to pour in 2 ounces of light rum. And any brand will do, so just pick your favorite brand, and that's what you can use. All right, then we're going to add into that 2 ounces of tequila. 1 and 2. All right. Next, we're going to do 1 part lime juice, so just about 1 ounce of that. A couple of good squeezes here. And 1 ounce of grenadine. Just like so. Add in just a couple of drops of bitters. And there we go. Go ahead and shake that up. We're then going to strain this into a large wine glass, just like so. And then we're going to fill that the rest of the way with orange juice. There we go. And there you have it, a Wrightsville Sunset. Cheers.